Thank you so much for your love and support. And once again, we are back with another video tutorial. And this video is an extension of the Sidecar container tutorial. There is a questions. Do we need every time volume? So no. Which kind of help the Sidecar container is providing, that depends on that needs volume, or like if Sidecar is providing just proxy or matrix, then it is not required. So for the log shipping is volume must shared volume must require. So let's draw the diagram so that I will clarify. So this is a node, this is a pod, this is a main container, this is a Sidecar container. It's all a local host. This is a local host. It's a main container, and it's a Sidecar container. It's a Sidecar container. TAINER container. Here is a volume. So Sidecar right here, and this reads. I'm not expert in this Excel, so just bear with me. So what is the volume? Is it's an empty DR. So whenever I am here, if I want to access this pod, I'll get this. I'll get any information from this. So what happened? These two pod can be of the same image, but do not have the same port. If they are having the same port, then either one of would be fail. So keep it in mind that you should use a different port whenever you are creating a Sidecar container. I do have a Sidecar container demo in Killer Coda. I'll just open it for you. There is with the deployment, but we'll learn this deployment object a little later on. So just we'll start a demo. So I'll create a Sidecar container YAML. I'll copy one file which I created. So I'll paste it. You are seeing that it is a very big file, but it is not like that. Just I'll explain. It's the API kind metadata app with a Sidecar. That restart policy is always container, that the name image. Here is the volume mount. Okay, and here is the name log ship. This is the main container, and now near below that it's a log shipper, the Sidecar container. So this command, what it is doing, it is writing a log in every 2 seconds. So and this is the empty dir volume is mount. So what is happening here? Log is writing here, and this shared volume, this whole thing is writing in the empty dir, and the same volume is read by this. So we'll check it after creating that file. So indentation must be noted, because if you write something different, then it would not run. So I'll just WQ. Here to mount path is there, but okay, no issues. And you must keep that this shared log name should be matched with the volume name. We already seen this. So I'll just escape WQ and create the file. Create the kubectl apply -f. You can apply or you can create also Sidecar container. So kgate pods -o wide -w. So it is in container creating state. Now everything is running. So control C, control L, kgate pod -o wide. So here we get this IP. So copy CURL. So here you are getting this date, but this date is written by, if I'll this v cat Sidecar container YAML. So this is the thing what is written, message by the Sidecar, and this is the date. So this is things is done by the Sidecar container, and we'll check it with I'll log in into the main container. So here is the command kubectl exec it Sidecar c main app. So till here we are logging to the container, main container -c main container, okay, with the shell. And then this ls-l means we are just listing that index.html file, and this too, and I already shown you that if this command fail, and then this command will not execute. If instead here double pipe is there, then if this command will fail, then also this command will execute. So I'll just enter So you'll find that this is the date which is giving by the sidecar container. So this is only listing this n minus 5 means it's showing you the 5 lines. So you list that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you will go in the main container, here you will see the output. Now I'll log into the sidecar container, and if I'll localhost, so that you will get the same thing. Okay, so this way you can create a sidecar container. So just cd slash k describe pod. So here is the name, mount is the log, here is the read write. So this is the log shipper, and this is the main app. So I want to get the UID of the pod. So k get pods -o yml and then grep -I UID. This all the commands and important topics are already covered in the playlist. So you can watch it. So UID is this. So I'll go to the cd slash where slash lib ls cd logs cd pods for lib cd kubelet, then ls, then cd pods ls. So here you, what is the uid? This is the uid cd ls. Oh sorry, I'm checking this here in control plane. I need to ssh to the look, ssh to the node 0. So cd slash var lib kubelet pods, and then I'll press 66. So I'm here. So cd volumes ls cd kubernetes iu mtdir. So ls show cd shared log ls. So cd cat access log. So you will find that whatever the things here, and you can find control ls cd cat index.html. So here you will find that this thing. So this things is picked up by that main container, and sidecar container is writing the here. So thank you so much for your love and support. Once again, here in areas, if you search neo, so here you will find sidecar containers, so just add a sidecar container, everything is given, and you can practice it here. So thank you so much for your love and support. For exam perspective, if they asked whatever things, you need to just edit the file and do the things. So mock practice test is also there in our playlist. So we do create means if this is the first time you are visiting my channel, so there is so many playlist, and I suggest you watch WAV playlist, because here randomly videos are posted, and it might confuse you. So better to watch the playlist. And we do share post and shorts. I find whenever I find a little creative type of thing, will share in post and in the that what you can say shorts. So please do comment if you want to know something more. So thank you so much for your love and support once again.